So I was scrolling on Facebook and I saw a post that said, you don't have to be everyone's butterfly. Be a bee. Mind your business, make your honey, and sting people when necessary. And everybody can kind of have their own little analogy of that. But real quick in this video, I want to give y'all my analogy, like what I took from that post. But before I get into the video, I want to welcome anybody new to the channel. If y'all don't know who I am, my name is Chase. I really appreciate having you here. And yeah, I just make these little self-improvement slash money slash, advice for young men type of videos. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. And yeah, without further ado, man, let me get straight into what I actually took from this quote. So you don't have to be everyone's butterfly. First and foremost, right? That basically, I feel like it's just saying you don't go and be everyone's puppet. You know what I'm saying? Don't constantly live a life for other people's validation, right? Live your own life, go accomplish your own goals. You don't constantly do things for, approval of others, which is what being a bee is, right? When you go outside and you walk past the bee's not going to come just sting you right like automatically. You know what I'm saying? You really got to aggravate the bee. And that's why it says mind your business, okay? Because bees mind their business, and the same rule I feel like applies to us. We need to all mind our business, right? Like I just talked about in a video, not every problem, deserves your attention and your energy. So mind your business that way. Also mind your business by staying humble. Even if you're feeling up right now, like you just got a lot of money, or you want to get the nice cars, the nice clothes, you just want to show out right now. It's important just to stay down, stay humble and mind your business. And that's kind of what I take from the mind your business part. The second part, make your own honey. What that pretty much means is make your own bread, right? Don't constantly work for somebody else. Like eventually, if you want to escape the 9-to-5 cycle, you have to make your money work for you. And I mean, that's really the only way to escape the 9-to-5 cycles. You have to make your money work for you. You have to have your money invested, passive income somehow. Hey, there's a ton of ways to do it, but you need to make your own honey, okay? And when you do make that honey, like I said, stay down, stay humble, and soon enough, you'll be big enough. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's another quote by another YouTuber who does something that I do, but he says, stay down long enough, and soon enough, you'll be big enough, 100%. And the last part on here on this quote is sting people when necessary, which basically I feel like just means you got to surround yourself with the right people. You got to cut people off when you know that they're just using you or wasting your energy, and you got to surround yourself with the right people. You got to put yourself in the right room, where your dreams sound 100% normal, and a lot of people might not like you for it, but you got to get rid of certain people who's going to constantly put you down, constantly hold you back from achieving your goals. And you got to start putting people around you who are doing way better than you. Like it might hurt a little bit to the ego, I already know, but you got to do it. And if you do all three of those, like the quote says, you're not going to be everybody's butterfly, okay? You're not going to be everybody's puppet. You're going to become a bee. You're going to thrive. You're going to live a life that's actually worth living. And if you could just have a little bit of sacrifice now, a little bit of delayed satisfaction, delayed gratification, and you could follow these steps, right? Minding your business, staying down, making your own honey, find a way to make your money make its own money, and sting people when necessary. So surrounding yourself with the right people and cutting toxic people out of your life. If you do all three of these, you are 100% gonna change your life. And I know this video is not long, but I do appreciate you for watching and sticking around to the end. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I appreciate everybody, like I said, for sticking around. And drop down in the comments, you know what I'm saying, if you have your different analogy of this quote. If this quote means something different to you, drop that down below, because I want to learn, right? I want to hear other people's opinions on it. I appreciate everybody for watching, and I'll see everybody in the next one. Peace out.